Howdy everyone, welcome to Dr. Obi's Garden. In this video, I want to talk about how you can know when an onion bulb is mature and the perfect time to harvest onion bulbs for a dual benefit. Onion bulbs can be grown from seed or from other bulbs or even sets, which are small immature onions that have been cured. For first-time onion growers, it can be tricky to know when the onion bulb is mature and ready to harvest. Knowing the right time to harvest onions is important because when onion bulbs are harvested too early, they don't store well, and as such the shelf life is drastically reduced. On the other hand, when harvesting is delayed, especially during periods with frequent rain, the bulbs may rot. In this short video, I share tips to find the perfect time to harvest your onions. The first thing to know is that when you see an onion bulb with erect green leaves, then the bulb is not mature. Can you eat an immature onion bulb? Of course yes, but that is only when you're eating it fresh. You can even eat both the bulbs and the leaves at this stage. Nevertheless, if you want to store your bulb onions for several months, here are a few tips or signs to know that the onion bulbs are ready for harvest. Number 1. The shoot has flopped over and the neck can be squeezed between fingers easily without much resistance. Some people prefer to wait a little bit for the leaf to dry down further before they harvest. However, this is not recommended during periods of frequent rain. Harvesting right at this stage also has another benefit. You can cut off and eat the remaining green leaves, which are not only delicious but nutritious too. Don't cut off the leaves right above the bulb, since it can make the bulb susceptible to rot, thereby reducing the shelf life. Cut the leaves about an inch above the neck. Cutting this way allows you to tie a string around the neck for hanging and curing the onion before storage. That is, if you want to hang your onions. Number 2. About a third of the leaves have turned yellow. This sign often occurs with the first, and the yellowing often starts from the leaf tip. However, when about a third of the leaves have turned yellow and the shoot has not toppled over, you can squeeze the neck to check for firmness. If the neck is soft and can be squeezed between two fingers without much resistance, then the onion bulb is mature but not time to harvest yet. You can bend the shoot over at the neck to hasten the maturing process and leave it for a few days without watering before you harvest it. These are the two main signs to look out for before harvesting your onions. Here are a few more tips for harvesting onion bulbs. Number 1. Stop watering for a few days before harvesting. This can be anywhere between 3 to 7 days. This ensures that the outer scale leaves are dried well before harvesting. 2. After harvesting, the onions go through a curing process before storing. Curing can be achieved by either hanging or spreading the onions in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight for a couple of weeks. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you love these short videos that answer specific questions, like, comment and share it so more people can benefit from it. Check out our quick tips playlist for more videos like this. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next episode. See you later.